Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the steps to delete your browsing history by time on Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to maintain your privacy or just want a fresh start, managing your browsing history is essential. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner. This is often referred to as the More menu. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, enter Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your browsing data effectively. Now, look for and click on Delete Browsing Data. This will take you to a new window where you can select what data you want to clear. In this new window, make sure to choose Browsing History. You'll see various options for what you can delete, but for now, we're focusing on your browsing history specifically. Next, it's time to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. You can choose from options like last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or even all time. This flexibility allows you to target specific periods based on your needs. Once you've made your selection, simply click on Delete Data. This action will remove all browsing history from the specified time range, ensuring that your online activities remain private. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily manage and delete your browsing history in Google Chrome by time. Remember, keeping your browsing data clean not only helps with privacy, but also improves browser performance. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.